In front of me is REALME GT8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. Then to mute the music, tap at the bottom left corner. Now hit consent. And my favorite part, use this gear at the top left corner to check out all of those settings. And then try them all at the top. This way you will create perfect wallpaper for you. You can even hit presets over here, check out all of those, and adjust its options. Either way, whatever you decided, after adjusting all of those options, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Select Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit Yes. Tap on Apply To and decide where you wanna apply it by clicking on any of those options. Then make sure to tap on Apply at the top right corner. So when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!